Hello and welcome to another Moosend tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to import your subscribers to your Moosend account. Moosend lets you import members from all different kinds of sources. You might keep your list in an Excel or CSV file. All work for Moosend. And no matter what you choose, the process is always very simple and quick. For this video, let's see how you import your subscribers from a CSV file. From your dashboard, click on the Mailing Lists button. Click on the name of the mailing list which you want to populate with your subscribers. Click on the Import Members button. Then, select the CSV/TXT file option. Click on the Browse button. Select the CSV file you want to import from your computer and click Open. Click the checkbox. Yes, add them as verified. I do have consent from these members. This means that your subscribers have previously agreed to receive emails from you. Click Next. Now it's time to map the columns from your CSV file to the respective custom fields in your mailing list. You can do this by clicking on each drop-down list and selecting the respective custom field you created to describe this information. If there is a column in your CSV that you don't want to map, then click the drop-down menu on this specific field and choose Ignore. Also, remember to create any potentially missing fields before starting your import. When you finish the mapping, click Next. Then, choose at which email you want to be notified when the import is completed. Click on the Import button when you are ready to start the process. To view a report of your import's progress, click on the message that appears on the top of the screen. Then click View Reports to see the details. On the menu, click the View List tab to see the list with your subscribers in it. Click View Details to see the information you have for each subscriber. Congratulations! Your first mailing list is ready.